and this is the way for the Vagamon Meadows. I think you have already seen the drone shots of it. Now I have started to Kochi because so many corona cases, the Alleppey is closed it seems. So I am directly going to Kochi now. I have already booked an homestay just beside the beach. Hope I will go there without getting drenched in the rain. You can see the weather is already changed. I don't know why it will like కెమెరా బయటికి తీస్తే చాలు వచ్చేస్తే మేఘాలు. Every time I remove the camera and try to do the vlog, then comes the black clouds. I hope it won't rain again. And yeah, because of the rain I can't vlog anything while I am coming from Kochi to Munnar and Munnar to Vagamon. Yeah, Munnar to Vagamon it didn't rain, but the camera lens is very blurry because of the water went into the lens, so I can't vlog on bike. I think you have already seen those drone shots now. I have just been under pure bliss of the nature, enjoy myself. Faster route available anta. మాకు వద్దమ్మా faster route, we want longer route because tomorrow is the last day for the trip. We want to go through a hilly road, so many curves, and I wish I can show you the performance of the Xpulse also. Just see the cornering. The one thing which I haven't liked is the headlight, and the other one is the horn. That horn is like unbelievable, man. What is this horn? Anyway, the headlight and horn can be easily modified. You can keep some mods in the place of the original ones and increase the sound and the lighting of the headlight and the horn. So yeah, that's my review on Xpulse. Around 1.5 lakhs, the best adventure bike you can get. And this bike costed me around 3,200 for 4 days and 5 hours of rent. Tomorrow by 3 o'clock I should return this back. And by the way, this is Vagamon, the main center of Vagamon. But as you can see, you can find all those viewpoints and the Pine Valley and the Vagamon Meadows, Tangalpara viewpoint, everything you can find over there only. So I suggest Vagamon Clouds is the best hotel over there according to me, because I have stayed there. It's also good price, not, it's like medium, okay, but the hotel is good, the cleanliness and the comfort, everything is good. And also the viewpoints and the places to see are very nearby from there. Just around half kilometer and 1 kilometer you can find all those places. So Vagamon Clouds, best. Take a left. See the beautiful scenery just beside the road. And this is what Kerala is known for. Lush green fields and the beautiful tea estates and the bike ride. It's just love. Having fun. See, Kerala.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
ride through the beautiful Western Ghats, and it was completely an offbeat trip, man. Thanks to Diwali for making this trip happen. Another day and another waterfall. I want to see what's there on the top of the waterfall. Let's fly the drone. Bye, bro. Bye. You have seen that black shirt guy saying bye now? His name is Anish. He played for the Indian team last year for the physically handicapped World Cup, Indian cricket team, and he won. And I think you know that India won the physically handicapped World Cup cricket last year, and he was one of the member in the team. It was nice to meet, even being physically handicapped, and it's that courage we should encourage them. Huge respect for those guys like him for being so brave. Keep rocking. Well done, Anish. മൂലമട്ടം ചേട്ടാ എവിടെ പെട്രോൾ ബങ്ക് റോഡ് സൈഡ് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് ഓൺ ദ റോഡ് ഓൺലി ഓക്കെ താങ്ക്സ് ആൻഡി ഹിയർ കംസ് ദ പെട്രോൾ ബങ്ക് $300. You have change?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Coconut. For drinking coconut. On the road, I can't see anywhere. No, not anywhere. From Vagaman, I am seeing no coconut. After 10 kilometer junction. Okay, there maybe.
Roadside.
Okay. കേരള അല്ല കോക്കനട്ട്
ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല, അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ അവിടെ വരെ പോകണം.
ഓക്കെ എന്നാ താങ്ക്സ്. It's showing 85 kilometers and 2 hours from here to Kochi. We are at Molamattam. కేరళ ఉండి నాకు కూడా కేరళ స్లాంగ్ వచ్చేసింది. సో ఐ వాస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద పెట్రోల్ పంప్ గాయ్ అబౌట్ ద కోకోనట్స్, వెదర్ కోకోనట్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ ఎనీవే. ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ దట్ ఐ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ Vagamon and I can't find coconuts anywhere on the road. So can you tell me any nearby place where I can drink a coconut? See, coconut trees everywhere. There you go. Coconut. I'm at the University College of Engineering, Matham, Thodpuza. I just wanted to show you a beautiful location. See, a small valley of trees. Wow. So finally I have found the coconuts. I'm going to drink a coconut in Kerala. No. 40. 40. मलयालम मिला
हिंदी मालूम है?
हाँ हिंदी मालूम है
हाँ, हिंदी में बोलो।
वागमान से आ रहे हैं रास्ता में किसी भी जगह कोकोनट नहीं है
बागान में बहुत आदमी लोग था।
हाँ वागमान में था वो हाँ मुन्नार में ज़्यादा था वागमान में थोड़ा कम है
मुनार में जाना है।
हाँ
मुनार में बोलो।
फाइनली I am talking about these trees, right? These are rubber trees, it seems. They remove rubber from these trees after some days. They will just peel it off, and from this the rubber will be made. All these trees are rubber trees. Wow. For the first time in my life I am seeing how they will remove rubber from the trees. Nice. And officially welcome to Cochin or Kochi. And I have crossed 2 bridges till now. Those 2 bridges are so beautiful. And I am gonna cross another bridge now. Suddenly Vietnam came to my mind, remembering Da Nang city, which was in the central Vietnam, and there will be the same, like so many bridges in the city which was crossing the river. It was the same way over here. There are so many bridges in Kochi. They are just beside the sea and also near to my homestay. I should see where is my homestay. Google Maps is showing right here to the left. Okay. Bike parking. ఇదొక అడ్వెంచర్. So that's what Sea Hut Homestay. Hi bro.
Hello.
Yeah. Thanks. And just reached my homestay, which is the Sea Hut Homestay, which is right beside the beach. And I think you already seen the guy who came, like he was the owner of the homestay, and he came right away because he knew that I was coming. He texted me in WhatsApp while I was at the Allapalli waterfall. So, and yeah, I just wanted to show you the view of the homestay. It's really so nice, and you can see it's a dining area, and there's a cute garden. The garden area is good. I'll show you again tomorrow in the morning, and I think you can hear the waves sound now. See? Yeah. And there is a cottage over there. I'll show you. I'll try to show you again in the morning, but I am showing it now because I just checked into my room, and I think it's the best time to show you. Afterwards, I don't know how it will. And this is the room. It costed me like 1100 rupees in agoda.com. I got it for a deal. So yeah, it's a steal price. Usually I think it will be 1600 or so. So yeah, that's for the day, and take care. See you and meet you tomorrow in exploring Kochi.